Good afternoon, it's Phil here, and I'm just taking a moment to take in this fabulous Corsa 1.4 limited edition. As you can see, it's a 2016 on a 16 plate, and it is the limited edition, as you can see there. But I bet the best thing about this car is how good does that look. Just take a moment to have a look at that. Right, it's not the norm, we know it's not the norm, but just doesn't it look a really funky colour, and it really suits the car with the colour, the green and also the black. It's absolutely super. The colour accents, because you've got the white labels for the limited edition, then it also inside it has the dashboard accents. It's got piano black in there and also white, so it really does look out of this world. So what we're going to do is going to go around the car, and then we'll basically take you in the car. I think with the roof as well, it just looks super. So taking in the front, you've got the black accent lines on the grille, you've got the fog lights, and then the headlights, taking you down the line of the car. Got a slight indentation there, which I think we'll polish out. All the wheels are excellent. You've got the sills at the bottom, the part of the limited edition. Absolute super. Chrome tailpipe. It's the 1.4, but don't forget now the 1.4 is classified on the insurance as a cheaper insurance. I think it's group 3, group 4 insurance. I think that makes a difference, because it's not all green, it's basically it's black as well. It's like Viper green, isn't it? I mean, it's just a real eye-catching colour. It looks cool. So here's the damage on the car, because it is a category N. So it's been marked, it's been caught there and been caught there. And basically what we're doing is we're going to replace the wing and do all the work. All this will come and buff out there, and these here. Okay. So there you have it. Priced accordingly for a category N, but that is literally what it is. It's a crime what they do with the insurance these days. It's not the car, it's all the personal injury and everything else with the car. But anyway, that's another story. Look how cool that is. Right, I'm going to take you inside the car now, so I'll see you in a second. Hi, it's Phil here again. So what we're doing now is going to take you inside the car, and we're going to start with the engine bay. Now, as I've said, it's a HD video, so you can stop and you can start and you can have a good look around. Now, the car's not been serviced yet, but will be serviced. It's literally going to be MOT'd, and so on. So there's the engine bay as it should be. Now that's the 1.4 variant. Okay, taking you in the inside of the car. Driver's side door card. Get electric door mirrors, electric windows, multi-function steering wheel. There's your 35,000 miles. There's your entertainment system, AUX, 5-speed gearbox. You just look at the seating, how it's all nice still, no crazy marks. Taking in the the back seats. Really goes with the outside, really nice. Now taking in the boot, there's the carpet, and you have all your bits and pieces in the rear. Nice to see you've still got the parcel shelf. I know a lot of them don't come with them. All the rubbers are nice, just as you'd expect a car. 2 previous owners, 35,000 miles. This is the passenger side door card. Get your electric window there. You've got the piano black, which is nice, as you can see in the dashboard, and you've got the white signature there, which goes with the outside colour. You've got all your books and so on. There's your seats again, all nice. Really, really funky. You've got the Isofix in the back seats if you need to. Carpets are like brand new. Your headlining, this is good as well. So you pick that up. It's got your OnStar on it, which is really a later variant. So there you have it. So if you need any further information on the car, please give me a call. My number is 07775 038 270. As I've said, 35,000 miles, 2 previous owners, serviced, MOT'd, category N, as you've seen in the photographs and the video. Will be repaired when you come to see it, but there you go. But it's a really funky 1.4 Corsa, limited edition, and what an amazing colour. I absolutely love it. So there you have it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, give us a thumbs up, give us some comments on the video. Thanks for watching. Hope to hear from you soon.